guys, welcome to my channel, Lexdoll Beauty. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this face cast. So if you want to know how, please keep watching. First I'm going to start by applying petroleum jelly to my eyebrows, and I'm also going to do it to my lips just because they're chapped. Next, they provided me with this Mold Easy that I'm gonna put throughout my whole head. Woo! Now I'm just gonna dip them in water and then apply them to my face. The mask now feels just about dry. I can move my face a lot more. So I'm just gonna feel around the edges. It feels dry. Now I'm gonna pull it off. Hopefully my eyebrows are still on. So here's my mask. I'm going to cover the holes from the outside in.
A few moments later.
Now that my cast is fully dry, I'm going to apply the casting powder inside of it.
Blow it up, watch it all fall out.
I feel like this is Doubt 5 with a pie coming all off her face.
Watch it all fall out. Blow it up. That's how we
Alright, we have made a little bed for this baby to sleep overnight for 24 hours in. And here it is. We put a little bit of cushion in there for the face mask, you know. Want to keep him comfy. We'll see her tomorrow. So it's been 24 hours since I made my little mask thing, and now we are going to peel it. This should be fully hardened, ready to go.
That's what she said.
So I'm gonna peel this on camera as best I can to show you guys how I made this mask. have 2 pieces of sandpaper. This one's more rough. I might actually need this one first, but I'm gonna try to do it with the least rough one first. So I'm just sanding all the imperfections away on my face. Yeah, I might need the other one. See, this one's actually taking off all the bandage. So just make sure you sand it really well so that you have a beautiful, flawless mask. Because you want to make it as smooth as possible. Because when you put a prosthetic on there, your prosthetic will be bumpy if you do not. I actually have some sculpting tools too that I'm going to probably be using. So I've been sanding for, let's see, it's 8:50, for probably like an hour and a half now. So my thing wasn't fully smooth. So my boyfriend came in and he was like, I have something that might help you out. He has like his own business with construction. So he showed me this Dremel. That's what it's called, Dremel Multimax, and it has like a buffer, like you can touch it even when it's on. So I've been using that to smooth it out. I'm not done yet, but I'm going to show you how it's done. I'm all done sanding. Now I'm going to apply wood glue to my face cast. Here we go. So this is what my cast looks like after I've applied 5 coats of wood glue to it. I'm all done. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Have I been calling this a face mask? Oh hell no. It's gonna be so cool because this is actually like my face. Can you stop my video? If you have not